Man, it's a battle for all you bitch ass niggas out there who think your rap game real shit. This Baltimore real stuff. It's your boy Tilly, don't forget it. Man, I'm coming from the bottom, rising to the top. Guaranteed, got a flow that'll make your heart drop. Pop lock and do this hit split. Niggas talk that real shit. I'll pull an Xbox trigger gun real quick. Never heard of me on the block, I'm the shadow. These bitches wanna see me, down wanna battle. I take their fucking face and put it all up in the alley and hit it with the shotgun. Call me Mr. Bally. Parked in that coupe with that 4-door scope. You can try me, young nigga. I shoot you out your dope. This body won't come and stand up 410 and get puffed up. Niggas talking real shit, sagging nigga, buck fuck. Go to jail just to get his cookies took, and I'm a real nigga. I ain't never opened the book, cause my life is a book that's never been written. You heard what I'm missing. The time is real. You talking real hard shit, but this beat is killed. You talking like you hard, you real tight slick. Call me Mr. Hammer, 9-1 quick.
Oh, you still recording?